Hello everyone, Ganesh back here. So in this video we're going to see Zerodha order types. So before I jump in, if you guys don't have an account with Zerodha, you can open using a link which is available under this video. So go and hit the link and open your account today. And also if you don't know how to open an account by phone or online, so you can also use a link which is also given for a video. It's a live demo video, so you can use that video and open your account today with Zerodha. So let's start the video. So this is how the order tab looks like, and you can see the color, it's in blue, which means we are in a buy tab. So you can see a small button here. You can also swipe that left right. So when you swipe to the right, you can see the order change into red, which is sell tab. So if you wanted to go to buy tab, you can always go shift back simply swiping the button. And mainly you can see many options here. So you can see MIS, CNC, market, limit, stop loss, SLM, or you can see the number of boxes, quantity, price, trigger price, disclose quantity, and also you can see more options. If when you click it, you can see regular, bracket order, cover order, or after market order, day order, or immediate or cancel. So there is many options, especially for beginners it will be very confusing. So in this video I will explain everything slow and clearly. So I hope this video will help you a lot to find how to place a proper order. Firstly, I'll walk you through the buy orders, then I'll walk you through the sell order. So firstly, let's have a look at MIS order. So MIS stands for margin intraday square up, and CNC, you can see cash and carry or delivery based trades. So MIS, it is called margin intraday square up. As name says, it is only for intraday trades. So if you wanted to buy the stocks or sell the stocks and you have to close the trade within the same day, you have to go for a MIS. You can do that in CNC as well, I'll show you later, but MIS, it is one advantage you will get, which is we call leverage trading or a margin trade. So when you trade in MIS, in case if you are not using any bracket order, cover order, if you are not using stop loss or take profit, your order will be squared off from the broker automatically before the market close. So for example, you have bought the stocks of 500 of Tata Motors and the trade is still on. Before the market close, the trade will be squared off automatically in case if you are not closing. So that's how MIS order works, and also it's give you extra power, which is leverage trade or margin trade. What it means, you can buy more stocks more than what you have in your account. So if your capital is 1000, if you have a leverage or margin, you can buy more than what you can able to. So that is we call margin intraday square up. And next, CNC. CNC is a cash and carry. The name says cash and carry. Only you can buy how much it's available in your account, and mainly this is for a delivery order. What we call delivery, it is a long-term trades. So if you wanted to buy the stock and you wanted to sell more than a day, like you wanted to sell the stock tomorrow or day after tomorrow or maybe weeks or years, so that's all has to go under the CNC. So in this order, in case if you don't have a stop loss or take profit here, the order will not close, so it will be keep on moving. So in case if you want to trade intraday using this without a leverage, you can also trade, but you have to close the trades manually. You cannot wait for the broker to close your trades. So you can do it CNC order, you can place a CNC order, you can do it as well using a CNC. And next here comes order types: market, limit, stop loss, and stop loss M. So for example, let's assume we are using a margin intraday square up, so we're placing intraday trades. So market order, what it means, when you click here, you can see the price got disabled, trigger price got disabled. You only can able to enter your quantity and the disclose quantity. And a quantity, we know how many stocks you wanted to buy according to your capital power what you have, you can. And a disclose quantity, in case if you are trading with a larger amount of stocks, so you wanted to sell it part by part, you don't want to sell it or you don't want to close the trade immediately, you might find harder to close when you're trading with a larger amount of stocks. So disclose quantity, what it will do, you can make it divide. You can only display, if you in case if you have 25,000 stocks, you can only display 5,000 stocks in the market depth, and people can buy your 5,000 stocks, then next you can sell another 5,000 stock. So that's how disclose quantity work. And if you're trading with a smaller quantity, you don't need to use a disclose quantity, you can leave it as it is. So quantity you can enter, you always have to enter, you have to enter. So next, market order. So market order, what it mean here, when you place a market order, your order will be executed at the market price, whatever the price available, whatever the broker give you, you have to accept it. You cannot enter the trade at any particular price. For example, the stock price trading at 100, then you place a market order. Your order might trigger at 99, 95 or 103, 104. You never know what price it is, but it will be according to your broker, according to the market that what is available, according to that your order will be placed, but you will be triggered immediately. You will be triggered soon as possible using a market order. Next we come limit order, and remember I'm walking through the buy order. So limit order, how it work, if you wanted to buy the stocks below than the current price, so you can see when we keep a limit order, you can see we have a price here. So the price need to be below than the market price. So for example, you can see market price 41.35. So in case if you add a 42, the order will not accept. So that is little tricky. So in limit order, you cannot buy the stocks above the market price, whatever price you want to. You only can able to buy the price at the below the market price, whatever the price you want to. So make a note of it. If you have a pen and paper, you can write down anything, everything that can help you for trading. So next comes stop loss order, and most of the people thinking stop loss order is like we have to place a stop loss along with this order. It is not in Zerodha, it's different. So stop loss order, it is the price what if you wanted to buy above the current price, then you have to go with a stop loss order. And it is for buy I'm explaining, for sell it's different. So when you wanted to buy the price above the current price, then you have to go for a stop loss order. And you can see here we have a two price, trigger price and a price. So trigger price, it is your first confirmation when the price hits your trigger price, and your price at price whatever the price you enter in this bracket, at this price your order will be triggered. For example, the current price, let's assume that market price is 100 and you wanted to put a trigger price of 101 and price is 102. You can also keep 101, but I'll explain later. But let's see this example. 101 and 102, you can see trigger price is 101 and price is 102. When the price jumps from 100 to 101, your order will be sent to an exchange. Your order will be sent to the exchange, then your order will be get triggered at 102. So this is like a waiting for the price to hit, and after that hit, making confirmation, then you will enter the trade at price you wanted to. And a most important thing, you need to enter a price above the current price. You cannot use this order for to buy the stocks below the current price. It's only for the above the current price. And if you wanted to buy the stocks below the current price, then you have to go for a limit. And stop loss, it's always for the above the current price. And also you can keep same price and price. So price and the trigger price you can keep same. When the trigger price hit, your price will be triggered at same price. So that is something I'm using for my trades. So stop loss market order, that is a market order. When your order trigger price will hit, your order will be get triggered at the market price. For example, if your trigger price is 101, when the price will hit the 101, your order will be executed at the market price. You never know what price you're going to enter. Might be it's 103, 105, or might be it's a 99, 97, whatever the price. You never know what price you're going to, but it will only get triggered when your trigger price hit. Your trigger price will be 101, but the price what you're going to enter, it will be different. It's decided by the market. So that is called stop loss market order. So next here come regular order, bracket order, cover order, and after market order. On the regular order, you will not get any stop loss or take profit. It's just a plain order. You have to do manually everything. So on the bracket order, you can place a stop loss, target, and a trailing stop loss. So stop loss, we know that it is our insurance for our trade, and a target or take profit. And a trailing stop loss, we also know the trailing stop loss, it is like keep moving as the price keep moving, and the stop loss also keep moving along with the price. So I will explain this another video. So trailing stop loss, it's easy to understand. There is a lot of videos available on the internet. Also you can read about these articles on the Google as well. So next, cover order which comes with only stop loss, there is no take profit. So if you place any trade, you have to enter a compulsory stop loss. There is no take profit required here, so stop loss should be required. So that is what we call cover order. And next comes after market orders. So after market orders, if you wanted to place any trades outside the market order after the market close, then you have to go for a after market order. And after market order timings is different, so I given the details in the description box, you can check it. So day and IOC, it's like a validity time period for your trade. So if you're trading using a day, In case your order not triggered, it can be triggered at any time at the entire day. So at the end of the day, if your order not triggered, it will be cancelled. But when it comes to IOC or immediate or cancel, the moment you place the trade, in case your order did not trigger, it will be cancelled immediately. So that is immediate or cancel order. So this is for the buy order. Now let's have a look at a sell order. So now you can see, you already know what is MIS and CNC. So market, we know market order will get triggered, whatever the price available, whatever the price given by the broker, we have to accept it. Next, limit order. So on the buy, we wanted to use the limit order to buy the stocks below the current price, but on the sell it's different. You need to sell the stocks above your current price, then you have to go for a limit order. For example, if your stock price is 100, if the price is 100, then you have to sell the stocks above it, then you have to go for a limit order. Then stop loss order, this is again opposite to buy. When the buy, we need to use this order to buy the stocks above the current price, but stop loss order on the sell, it works opposite. If you wanted to sell the stocks below the current price, then you have to use the stop loss. So trigger price and the price, we already know how it works. I already explained how it works on the buy as well. So you can place same order, trigger price and price, so your order will get triggered, but make sure the price is below than the current price, then only your order will get, otherwise it will not accept your trade. So stop loss market order, we know on the buy, when the price get hit by the trigger price, order will be executed at market price. So same here, when your trigger price will get hit, your order will be triggered at the market price. Make sure that you have entered the price below than the current price, then only your order will be accepted. Again, same regular bracket order, we know take profit and stop loss. Cover order, with the stop loss, without, there is no take profit, it only with the stop loss. Next, after market order, if you are trading outside the market hours, next day you wanted to keep the trade till the entire day, if it is not triggered, then IOC, immediate or cancel order, it will be cancelled immediately. So this is the video for today, and now hit the subscribe button and like the video or drop us a comment, and see you in the next video.